Hello, I'm Linda Ann McIntosh at Studio ABC, and I want to share with you that I'm still working on my studio. It went from 2,400 square feet on a main street with a big highway, in fact, two highways in front of it, to a dining room. So it's been a year. I'm still working on it because I work after school and after a very busy school year. But outside my window, I have some very nice surprises. Perhaps you remember when I had my chems team come last summer and paint cats on the fence. That's a work in progress. We're going to go back and work on that some more. But the team said, you're going to have a lot of cats visit now. And I thought they were being kind of silly, but you know what? We have. I've had a lot of cats come and visit these cats in the backyard. And of course, Geronimo has to see everything that's going on outside and kind of defend his territory. But this is one of the first cats that visited us. And you'll see him out the window here in a moment. There have been probably 6 or 7 more since then that come regularly to our backyard. There he is. I think Geronimo and this cat have somewhat become friends at this point. This is not my studio window. This is another window out towards the backyard. We call it our TV room or our den. It was actually a bedroom that we kind of made into a den. But there's that kitty that comes on a regular basis to see Geronimo. Squirrel gets into the action once in a while, but she isn't as persistent as Geronimo is about tracking down the kitty cats that are outside. We do not live in a rural area. We're in town, but some of the other animals that we've seen in our backyard are a possum, a rabbit, and a host of birds. In our backyard, we've seen cardinals, blue jays, hummingbirds, robins, pigeons, doves, woodpeckers, titmice, and look what came to visit last week. A hawk. He wasn't a bit afraid of me. He looked straight in the window while I was taking pictures and almost dared me to come outside.